Engine start.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So engine overheating issue of your vehicle. Here's the reasons why engine overheating, and I will explain one by one. Number one, engine coolant temperature sensor failure. So our circuit are open or grounded, faulty sensor. So the sensor can sense the signal going to ECU. That's why, or cannot trigger the relay. Alright, common problem of all vehicles. Okay, right. Radiator cap failure. The radiator cap have a small spring. This is the valve relief of radiator cap. It works for pre-opening of thermostat valve to push and to circulate the water. If this is damaged, your engine can be experience an overheating. Some other reason, the coolant is already deteriorated, so the quick word is expired already, so using for a long time, the coolant is already damaged. So the next one, number 3, fuse and relay failure. If you have a damaged fuse, so the relay can trigger, and so will not be work, right? So we can find the indicators here. We have a fan motor indicator to find where's the location of relay and fuses. Other side, other location of fuses, we can find it's different to your vehicle. So here is the relay. We have two relay here. This is for fan motor and aircon. So the another reason, water pump. We have an issue for water pump. Sometimes they do not use coolant, so the water pump turbine will damage slowly and may become thicker, melting, and so cannot rotate, cannot circulate the water or the coolant properly. The flow will become stuck and slow. So that's why can cause the overheating, cannot flow properly, right? From the engine going to radiator, going back to engine, so can't open. Also the thermostat cannot push with the thermostat with the water pump. Also oil, we need to check the oil if in good level or already expired oil or not good quality of oil. The next one is the heater core, circulating a coolant from the radiator going to heater, passing through the air, going to inside of your car, heating during cold season. This is the hose circulating, passing through the cooling tube and cooling fans. So the blower blowing in your heater during cold, right? So if this having clog, will become heat too much and can circulate the coolant properly and will become not mixing cold to hot, so will become still hot and cannot flow to radiator going back. That's why it can cause of overheating. You don't use coolant, the normal water can cause of corrosion for a long time, can clog inside if you do not use coolant or change for a long time. Also the metal corroded, circulates going to hose will become clogged, can cause an overheating or improperly. Number 7 is drive belt loose. So the drive belt loose cannot turn the water pump properly, so the water can circulate properly. So that's why the water is too slow or can circulate properly. So the temperature can be cause of high coolant leaks. Coolant leaks. So the common problem of overheating is coolant leaks. So making a low or empty of coolant so can cause a quickly overheating. It's better to know if your vehicle is overheating, and to find that you need to watch this video. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe here in my channel for more videos.